Welcome to Autoresolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox game client not responding with working 2025 crash solution.
Fix 1 Restart Roblox and PC Step 1 Close Roblox completely using Task Manager Ctrl Shift SE Step 2 End all Roblox processes. Step 3 Restart your PC and try launching Roblox. Again fix 2 Clear Roblox Cache. Step 1 Press Window R type %local app data %e Roblox and hit Enter. Step 2 delete the cache and temp folders. Step 3 Restart Roblox fix. Free update Roblox player. Step 1 open the Roblox app. Step 2 allow it to check and install updates. Step 3 relaunch the game. Fix 4 update graphics drivers. Step 1 press Window X device manager. Step 2 expand display adapters. Step 3 right-click your GPU update driver. Fix 5 reset internet connection. Step 1 restart your router. Step 2 switch to a stable wired connection if possible. Step 3 test Roblox again. Fix 6 reinstall Roblox. Step 1 press Window I app. Step 2 find and uninstall Roblox. Step 3 download the latest version from the official Roblox website and reinstall.